Welcome to my presentation. The topic of my research is the effect of joint parents-child book reading intervention on early childhood literacy and numeracy. This study stems from the idea that storybooks can be used to build numeracy and literacy skills among preschool children. I will take you to see what I found out. Storybook interventions are thought to elevate the academic skills of preschool children, especially in literacy and numeracy early in life. There exists a lot of studies on how teachers can help parents realize the use of storybook reading to enhance these skills among preschool children. This study identified that joint parent-child storybook reading allows the child to engage and interact with the story as they go through it with an adult. Contrasting views exist among parents who consider literacy skills in the early stage of life are more significant than numeracy skills. To explore this issue, the study sought to find out the effect of storybook reading on preschool children's numeracy and literacy skills. The researcher looked to devise ways to encourage and guide children at home reading practices that can support early numeracy and literacy skills. The research made use of literature review analysis and applied a case study analysis of 2-1 kindergarten and child care center in Queensland. This research aims to educate parents and guide them on the importance of developing early childhood numeracy and literacy skills. So, what is the research questions? The key research question of the study was: how can I successfully optimize the opportunities for early literacy and numeracy learning through encouraging parent-child storybook reading? So how can I use storybooks to build numeracy and literacy skills among preschool children in the classroom? How can I work with parents of 3 to 4-year-old children to encourage and guide home reading practices? How can I determine the acceptable levels of intervention through storybook readings? This study made use of action research methodology and ethnographic literature research techniques. The action research 7 phases proposed by Freebody were applied in this research. The researcher focused on a solution-oriented investigation to address the key research question and sub-questions. The literature review analysis was done using a total of 7 peer-reviewed journals and reports on the subject matters. The case study analysis was done through interviewing of 4 parents from 2-1 kindergarten in Queensland. For question 1, I undertook a literature review analysis on secondary sources on matters early childhood numeracy and literacy skills. For question 2, I applied both case study analysis and literature review analysis. It involves 4 parents with preschool children at 2-1 kindergarten. For question 3, irrespective of the efficiency of storybook intervention on the development of numeracy and literacy skills among preschool children, limits must be set. A review of the perspectives of different authors was done to identify the acceptable limits. The collected data were recorded and summarized. The use of qualitative data was used as described by Suter. By making the application of a descriptive analysis while findings from the different sources were structured to give a meaningful base and answer the research questions. Research indicated that more students are attaining the baseline proficiency levels. Interaction among children in class, especially of mathematics focus, are important in promoting numeracy. Teachers should make use of math talk and make sure numeracy and literacy points are emphasized in the activity before it starts. Parents should be encouraged to use short mathematical storybook reading training and monitoring procedures. Intervention integrating measures through putting in place follow-up mechanisms, providing with reading guides and taught how to use them with their children at home. Use of various activities such as reading competitions. In conclusion, joint parent-child storybook intervention gives an opportunity to develop both numeracy and literacy skills. Parental involvement at school and home is crucial. Parents should be provided reading guides when using the storybook intervention. The SSRPS should be used to measure parents' acceptability.